and I'm here to explain my project, which is on web development, and it is a eHub and React website. So I've used React, Flask, and pgadmin. React is for front end, Flask is for back end, and pgadmin is for data storage. So these are my tables. So in this table, the details of each and every person will be stored. And this is login table where their emails, passwords, and usernames will be stored. And this is a client table to segregate the number of clients. And this is employee table to know about the employees and all. This EMP000 is a test employee. Like when we remove an employee, he is going to take the place of this employee so that the users can replace them with ease. And this is the project table, and these are the teams for the project table. So I am doing the backend thing using Flask, and I'm hosting the routing these options to do the API connections. And in the React, I'm using REST API for communicating between backend and frontend. So this is the home page. From the song click of the buttons, you can navigate between the home page and all. For testing, I used pgadmin, and for deployment, I can't find any pgadmin server to host it, so I deployed it in MySQL. So this is my project in the local host. So this is the sign-in page, and this is the sign-up page. I'll show you the details on login, and I'll give the passwords in the GitHub readme.md file so that you can check the deployment things and all. Let me just open the console. I'll remove the console.log statements later. I've left these there because to easy understanding and easy debugging. So there are three types of users for an eHub. And to start, eHub is a website where the users can request for a website, and the employees and admins will make teams and deploy the client's request based on the requirements. So for an admin, he can manage employees, he can manage clients, manage projects, and manage teams. So on click of this buttons, the teams will be listed for the employee. He can either promote or demote an employee, or either he can remove the employee too. The roles will be present here. On these roles, the teams will be given. And he can see the list of the clients. He can manage the projects. Like if he want to add, he can add a project, and if he want to add an employee, he can add an employee. He can even edit the details of a project. For example, if he clicks like this, there'll be a form appearing. Here he can change the project leader and employees, etc. So let me show you the client side. So the client is having the password as something. Let's just take it. So the client can either view his projects, I mean the projects which he ordered, and know the status of the project, or he can request a new project. Here the details will be auto-generated by Python, which will be sent to React using API communication. On click of the submit, a new project will be created. Now let's see for the employee. So the employee can view the projects which he is working under, and he can check the status of the project. The status of the project which he can check is the projects which are led by him, so that he can edit the status or anything which are just so these are the projects which are just led by the employee. So if he wants to just see the projects which are led by him but not edit them, he can just come to this leading projects site and he can verify which all projects he is leading. So as of now, this is the app which I'm going to submit, and the deployment I used Vercel and Python Anywhere. Uh, Vercel for my front end deployment and Python Anywhere for my back end deployment. So this is my deployed website. I'm going to give this link in the readme.md file so that you can verify it later. And I'm going to give the test passwords and test client IDs for you to access and just to view the website so that you can regarding that sign up part. And regarding the sign up part, sign up will be only present for clients. So if he want to become an employee or admin, he just have to mail to the respective employee manager, or he has to apply like for a job. So this is just for client sign up. Admin and employee can't be signed up like this.